Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video I decided to do this like cute pink Valentine's makeup. And if you can hear music in the background, I apologize, just please ignore it. It's my mom. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Hello guys, what's up? It's me, looking like a cute egg. So today I decided I wanted to film a get ready with me / Valentine's Day makeup. I'm not going anywhere like on a date or nothing. I'm just gonna go to my cousin's birthday party, but I wanted to film a Valentine's makeup look. So I thought, why not make a baby with those two ideas? So that's what I'm doing today. So to start off, we're gonna do my eyeballs. I already have my face moisturized and primed, and I already have my eyebrows on. My eyelids are set and ready to go. I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's super pretty. When I look at it, I just think like Valentine's and like cuteness, like come on. So this is what we're gonna be using today. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that color shy right into my crease. I'm gonna really blend it out. And now that that color is onto my liking, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of flamingo directly into my crease with a very small defined brush. And I'm just gonna be following my natural crease shape, my natural eyeball shape, whatever you want to call it. And then with the brush from earlier and shy, I'm just gonna slightly blend it out. And I'm just gonna keep building up that color and blending it out until it's to my liking. Now I'm going to pack the color shy onto my outer V. I'm gonna pack that onto my inner corner as well. Then I'm gonna blend it out with the other brush, well, the first brush. I'm not gonna add any product onto it. I'm going to cut my crease a little bit. Now that I have that, I'm going to take the shade Angelic and place it right over top. I'm just going to be adding my Midi Jars glitter in blushes in pink. They're like a freaking $1. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter onto the center of my eyes. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my Dodo 115 lashes. And I have a discount code, catherinechilds. You can save money. So for foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick in Y415 and a NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Natural. So what I first like to do is just brush it in with a brush. Wow. I like to mix it together with a brush. I'm gonna quickly dab it for any streaks. But yeah, then I'm just gonna take my Instant Age Rewind concealer. And then I'm just gonna set that with my Laura Mercier powder. Just gonna set everywhere that I concealed. Now I'm going to bronze, and I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild's bronzer in Ticket to Brazil. But it's pretty because it has like a little bit of shimmers in it. And for blush, I'm gonna use my Tarte's Blush and Feisty. I love these blushes, they last so freaking long. And now I'm gonna go in with another blush. And this one, oh my god, this blush I love. It's like cracked. I don't know how it cracked, honestly. I've never dropped it or anything, which makes me confuzzled because I don't know how this happened. this one. And for highlight, I'm gonna use my Mary Luminizer first. And then I'm gonna go over top with my Becca in Champagne Pop. Move it. Now to really melt all these, you know, powders and shit into my face, I'm gonna take my all-nighter setting spray. I'm gonna drench myself. Now I'm gonna take Shy and put that on my lower lash line. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on some bottom mascara. And I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. Down for my lips because they disappeared, but it's okay. We're gonna make them reappear right now. I brought so many lip products because I have no idea which one I wanted to use. Oh, by the way, this is the Soft Matte, the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. I'm gonna put a gloss on though. This is the NK Makeup Lip Gel with Vitamin E. Okay guys, well this is the completed look. And if you liked it, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel and to the Valentine when I post and all that good stuff. And yeah, that's all I have. So, bye guys. Bye.